invite Ramakrishna Garu. Please come on to the dais, sir. Please come on. Just to inaugurate the program. And I invite Sri Venkateshwari sir. Please come on to the dais. And please come, madam. Ashwini, madam. Okay. Today we are celebrating National Maths Day. Okay. On behalf of Maths Day, from our side, we ask our principal sir, please give your suggestions, your valuable words to our students, sir.
Good afternoon, everybody. Why you are very dull? I will settle everybody's account today only. Right. So first of all, before going to the subject of this mathematics, National Mathematics Day, I felt really happy because earlier I planned so many activities, especially in the month of November. Due to heavy rains, we are unable to meet the purpose. Every Saturday we have perceptions. So many we have planned, but because of this heavy rains, we are unable to conduct this activity. So today, I felt very happy, even though at one side pre-summative examinations are going on, and we are, all the students are writing formative 2 examinations. So with the help of, with the cooperation of our mathematics faculty, Ramakrishna sir, Venkateshwar sir, and Ashwini madam, and of course students, even though we have not given time, but you people really, you made me happy. So give big round of applause to the first mathematics faculty. Thank you. And of course, all these 3 days, 3rd floor and 4th floor is full of thermocol. Wherever I am having full work. All this today also, you have let so much thermocol there. I have not weighed it. Compulsory it may exceed in cages. So okay. Anyhow, for the conduction of this mathematics Day celebration compulsory, we need to do some work. Coming to this National Mathematics Day, please listen. Because every true story or every real story, behind that there are so many struggles. So especially when we are talking about Indian mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan, he is just a ordinary student. Let me share you the struggles what he has faced earlier. Before that, first we have to know why this December 22 is celebrated as National Mathematics Day. So 2012, our former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh Garu, when he went to visit Madras University, so on that particular day, he announced, marking 125th birth anniversary of Srinivasa Ramanujan, from that day and from that year, 2012 is considered as National Mathematics Year. 2012, because at that time, Prime Minister has announced that year, 2012 is particularly National Mathematics Year. And that day, on 125th birthday celebrations, from December 22nd onwards, every Indian used to celebrate this December 22nd as National Mathematics Day. So we don't know, of course, if I ask, is your mathematics, do you like mathematics or you don't like mathematics? I want a real answer. How many of you like mathematics? Everybody, that's right. Everybody likes the subject, but nobody will get marks. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
By seeing, for seeing purpose, mathematics is very beautiful subject. To put it on the paper, we need, we have to strain. We have to strain our mind. Am I right? So don't think mathematics is just a subject. Just already I mentioned there, bottom line, can you able to read? I want all letters rich. Once again. Mathematics is an attitude of life. Just because this one sentence, it covers the whole essence of mathematics. Because I don't think that except mathematics, mathematics is in connection with all the subjects. You will get mathematics in Telugu. You will get mathematics in Hindi. You will get, of course, as a physics teacher, earlier there is a version that physics is the king of the sciences. Physics is the, who is the queen? Maths. So king and queen, physics and mathematics. Kingdom, Ratnam School Ko. And you are all soldiers. You are all soldiers fighting for mathematical problems and your personal problems also. Because whatever I am saying, frankly I am saying. Somebody is saying something. Yeah. Right. At the school age, he is not having formal training. But there is a one version that what we think we will become. Because whatever we think in mind, compulsory it will decide our future. So many professionals with passion, whatever they thought in their mind, they have become. So in those olden days, Srinivasa Ramanujan is a just average student. But his interest towards mathematics made that person now the legend of mathematics. In those days, people, there is no encouragement for him. So many he has discovered. But in order to elevate his discoveries, there should be some support, moral support. And in those days, we don't. He has not got any support there. But in spite of this situation, he has shared his discoveries. Please listen, my dear students, you don't know this. Listen. This is very, very important. He used to share his discoveries not only to, Indians overlooked him. He used to share his discoveries throughout all the universities all over the world. So how he used to share? In those days, there will be only postal correspondence. Postal correspondence in the sense means Srinivasa Ramanujan used to share his ideas through letter and he used to post to different universities all over the world. In those days, only postal communication only there. In those days, our 8th class and 10th class students are not there. Have you got that? 8th class students and 10th class students are not there to make this information sent to different parts. Because you are all aware of technology now. Instagram technology. So if you have helped him earlier, he might have achieved so many.
ఎప్పుడుగా ఉన్నాయి మా
So, right. One of the English mathematician, Hardy has identified his works through postal letters. Then he has given invitation to Ramanujan to come and just to do research in Cambridge University. Then with the help of traveling expenses, everything were bear by this Hardy only, English mathematician. He belonged to England. Then he went and he has done research, almost all both the works. So both they work, and now we are calling as a Ramanujan. Actually, what is the Ramanujan number? You know, I think 1729. 17? Yeah, it is. First they have done research of both. It is also called Ramanujan Hardy number. Ramanujan Hardy number. So like this, that 1729 also, how it came, it is very interesting. In those days, and when he was doing research, he was attacked with amoebiasis disease. Then he can't able to survive in England. He was sent to India. So when Hardy came to visit, he was in the hospital. He was badly affected with amoebiasis. In those days, medicines also not there. Vaccinations also not there. Amoebiasis is a serious disease. At the age of 32, when he was in the hospital, Hardy went to visit this Ramanujan, who is lying on the bed. Then Ramanujan, even though his condition is very critical, so he's always thinking about mathematical analysis. He just asked Hardy, what is your car number? He told that 1729. Why you are asking all this? 1729 is not an ordinary number, Hardy, he told. So he was astonished. Why he is asking car number and why he is saying 1729 is the ordinary number? Then he explained. It is the sum of the cubes of the numbers. Then he felt really astonished. Like this, we know only 10% of his discoveries. Immediately he died. Later, Hardy, so whatever he has written through letters, he just stored all the letters and published one book. That published one book that is called, the book name is Lost Book. L-O-S-T, Lost Book. In that book, everything is written. All the ideologies of Ramanujan is written. Nowadays, whatever we are learning mathematics, it is because of his ideologies also. Even though he is physically not there, his ideas is emerging day by day, and it is thought provoking for all the scientists, all the mathematicians. So many theorems, so many series were evolved based on the basement given by Srinivasa Ramanujan. He has solved so many problems earlier which was remained unsolved. Let me complete just by saying mathematics is just not an equation. Mathematics is not just calculation. Mathematics is just not related to anything. It is all about understanding. Mathematics is just about understanding. So, hope you will understand your parents. Hope you will understand your teachers. Hope you will understand especially mathematics teachers who are facing problems to explain the problems. So I feel really, as a teacher, mathematics faculty need more energy, because one side they have to solve the problems, another time they have to solve not only mathematical problems. I already told your problems also mathematics faculty has to solve. Hope you got little piece of information from my speech. Once again, happy National Mathematics Day. Happy birthday to Srinivas Ramanujan. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your valuable words. Now,